Our next speaker is Professor Dr. Adam Saud, Dean of the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Bahria University. He is a respected academic whose work has contributed greatly to the disciplines of foreign policy, Central Asian studies, BRI, and terrorism. Sir, we invite you for the opening remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. Chief Guest, Rear Admiral Naeem Sarwar Sahab, DG Islamabad Campus, Mr. Khalid Taimur Akram, Jaspal Sahab, and all the distinguished guests, friends, faculty members, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I think the purpose to organize this event has already been discussed by Mr. Khalid Taimur Akram. I would just talk about 2-3 things. The most important is that, Pak-China friendship, it has been a long time. We are going to celebrate 75 years of friendship next year. But I think we have entered into a practical phase now, where action speaks louder than the words. तकरीरों से ज़्यादा अब काम करने का वक्त आ चुका है. And more importantly, आप लोग जो young generation of Pakistan है, they should know what practical opportunities are present right now in China, in the form of BRI, in the form of CPEC, and even if you go and study in China, because Chinese universities now, वो ज़माना गया कि जब चाइना की यूनिवर्सिटी जो हैं वो बड़ी एक सब स्टैंडर्ड समझी जाती होती थी दुनिया में. बट नाउ चाइनीज़ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ दे आर इनटू सम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट रैंकिंग्स इन द वर्ल्ड. तो एक अच्छा बेहतरीन किस्म का आपको तालीमी निज़ाम वहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है. To appraise the house and the speakers sitting over here, we offer courses on China in our curriculum. Particularly if we talk about international relations, we have a course that is International Politics of China that is exclusively related to. We have so many students who are working on BRI and CPEC project, so many students, and 2 of my PhD students, they have completed their PhD on CPEC projects, and 1 is under the progress. And there are numerous students who have done their master's thesis on CPEC, China-Pakistan friendship and all that. Secondly, we have started the Chinese language certification program in our university, and we are offering it since last, I think, 6 months, and into the 6th phase now, the final phase of the language certification program. We have a China Research Center in our university, but it is understaffed, and they have their own limitations. So basically, it's our department, Humanities and Social Sciences department in particular, and our school in general, which contributes and which takes certain activities which are more focused on Pakistan and China. And I hope, and I urge the students particularly to listen to the distinguished scholars, because हम तो आपसे रोज़ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं ना, ये लोग बहुत मसरूफ़ होते हैं, ये बड़ी मुश्किल से टाइम निकाल के आते हैं आपसे बात करने के लिए. सो grab this opportunity और इनको सुने, इनसे questions करें. And being the moderator of this session, I would also urge the speakers to confine to their 10 minutes time so that we can have more time for question and answer session. This is just a request. I thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.